AI in the digital world has had a deep and lasting impact in the functioning of various industries. While some have been seeing the beginning of a change, some have been drastically changed. The level of automation that has been introduced in all the fields of today's market has led to a steep change in the way people work. One of the industries to have been impacted is the finance and accounting sector. This is a sector that is marred by the existence of unending elaborate datasets, which unfortunately holds immense importance to the standing of a business. Loss or misinterpretation of any data can translate to huge monetary losses. How AI is transforming the accounting industry. This is perhaps where AI can come advantageous to the accounting industry. AI has helped in automating the elaborate mundane task of accounting, making it so much easier for accountants. It can help to close in minutes a task that would have taken days if done manually using simpler tools like Tally. This helps in reducing the time that is required to close any report, making it much more efficient and faster. The elaborate data storing and managing capacities that AI brings about enhances the performance and quality of report that is generated. Few of the tasks that AI is revolutionizing for every accountant are getting the monthly and quarterly reports. The task that would have otherwise taken days to compile and interpret now takes minutes. This helps in saving time and effort while reducing the possibility of any error in the reports. This enhances the effectiveness of the accounting firm. Payable and receivable. AI can make the task of managing the data for payables and receivable much more accurate. Its robust tracking and storing abilities makes every data extraction a cakewalk and saves many man-hours in the process. The highly accurate data reduces the paperwork that is required and simplifies the entire process. Some of the common tools that existed in the market for accounting earlier, like QuickBooks, have now been integrated with more efficient AI that has made it even more proficient. Predictive market analysis. With a robust data set that an accounting system integrated with AI can store, it can facilitate numerous studies of the numbers. One of the most effective and useful function of an AI-integrated account system is its ability to interpret the data and give the right prediction with the data set. This kind of analysis will help immensely in market interpretation, output prediction, cost analysis and others. With such information, any business would be able to take a more informed decision with regards to its stakes and liabilities. Generating growth charts. With the monthly analysis of the data on profits and loss and investment information that is stored in the system, AI can help in generating the growth charts, which is an integral part of every company's set of crucial information. The digital entry and interpretation goes a long way in creating growth charts, not just with the current data sets but also provide predictive data and also retrieve older data as well. While various features are set to get integrated to the accounting tools, we can see a large number of companies moving on to adopting these newer tools and redefining their business processes. This has accelerated the growth for many industries, giving a newer outlook to retrieving and storing data with exponentially meaningful ways to interpret them as and when required. Conclusion. Accounting by every means has changed tremendously over the years. It is poised to see a massive overhaul as the automation era seeps into every sector of every industry. Though it may seem that automation will bring about a loss of jobs in the sector, experts believe that it can instead be a boon to the accounting industry. Job losses are inevitable, but there will be a major rise in jobs for those with higher skills that have an understanding for machine learning, AI and data science. Perhaps for those who were never interested in numbers, AI is going to ease the way for them. With multi-levels of automation, intricate data interpretation and massive data storage capacity, AI is bringing a change we never anticipated. It is now time to decide whether you want to sit back and use the manual system and enter data, or step up and get intelligent.